The Ozcode Production Debugger can be installed into Linux containers. To do so, simply follow these steps. In the Ozcode Production Debugger web application, select Installation Instructions and choose My Host, Linux, Docker. This will generate a list of instructions for you. Simply copy these instructions into your Dockerfile. This is a Dockerfile for an ASP.NET Core application. I'm adding it to the base image, but you can add it in later steps in the build. My base image doesn't contain wget, so I'm going to swap that out for curl. Now simply run the Docker container. The Ozcode Production Debugger is downloaded and installed into the base container, and the Ozcode agent token is set as an environment variable. If you need to change this environment variable, you can do so at runtime. Once the build container starts, we can trigger an exception and observe that the Ozcode Production Debugger has caught the exception and allows us to debug it.